time. Story: The Ugly Duckling. A long time ago, a farmer kept 4 eggs together, all of which hatched after a few days. While 3 of the ducklings that came out of the eggs looked exactly alike. The 4th one looked different. He was bigger and plain, gray in color. The duckling always felt different from its siblings and was always picked on. All the ducklings called him ugly and made fun of him. One day, the duckling got fed up with all the teasing and bullying and ran away to a nearby river, where he came upon a family of beautiful swans looking at the young members of the family. The duckling realized that he never looked like any of its siblings because he is a swan and not a duckling. Then he realized that soon enough he would grow into a beautiful swan and won't be called ugly anymore. Moral: everyone is beautiful in their own way. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.